Okay, short Akiyama in the GR86, and I'm a lot slower than I thought I was. Although it's only just over a second from pole to where I am. I'm the last of the qualifiers, and there's 2 cars behind that didn't bother qualifying by the looks of that. Anyway, it's a big field, tightly packed. Let's see if we can do anything. When are we going to go?
There's an incident ahead.
Oh, there's an incident already. Somebody's run into somebody. Looks like we've gone.
Green, green, green.
There we go. Well, that was a messy start, wasn't it? But we've managed to maintain our position at the back. Okay, well, let's see. See if we can get through cleanly. Pick our way through. If we've got the pace, I'm not sure. Didn't really do anything in qualifying. I'm wondering if these 2 behind who didn't qualify are actually quite quick. We'll see.
You're on the left.
Maybe not.
There's an incident ahead. Go right. Car on your left. You're on the right. 3 wide.
Okay.
Car on your left. 2 wide. Clear on the left.
Okay, well that worked. I've got through that lot. Fortunately. See if we can cling on to this guy. Bit of slipstream might help us. Not sure if we're close enough. So yeah, that was a bit of a mess, wasn't it?
9.038.
I'm finding you having to really be in sort of short gears. I mean, it's not often you use first, is it, in a race? But I'm using it twice here. Just like to catch these 2 up if we can. So I mean about first. I tried it in second, but actually first was quicker. And this one. Not quite there, are we? Really nice just to get on them. Closed in a little bit there.
.227.
Not too far away. I think we're closing in a little bit, aren't we? Nearly into slipstream range. Just about keeping it on the track. Oh, tantalisingly close, aren't we? We're going quicker than we did in qualifying anyway, which is good.
58.057. Just set your fastest lap of the session. Car 2 is up the front.
Still quite a train, isn't it? People aren't getting too far away. Which is good.
There's an incident ahead.
Incident ahead. Somebody's off.
Thank you,
Car on the
man.
left.
Thank
Somebody's going across the track backwards. That's not helpful.
Right side. Clear on the right.
Okay. Well, that sort of brought us into the mix a little bit, didn't it?
With the car in P1, just set the fastest lap. 57.695. 58.793.
A bit slower because of all that kerfuffle, but we're still there. Well, I thought this Lego car would be a bit quicker because he was at the front. Our fastest lap has been quicker than his, so maybe he's not that quick. A bit worried about this blue car. Looks like he was getting a bit close. He's had a bit of a major tank slapper behind, so that's dropped him back, which is good.
To go. 58.882.
It'd be nice to get by this Lego car if we could. He's pulled himself together a bit now. Oh, he's dropping back a little bit, isn't he?
Thomas, go.
The leader just did a 58.114.
So we were as quick as the leader.
58.419.
A bit slower that lap. We have been as quick as the leader. Okay.
Blue car ahead. Go
A
left.
nudge. Took him out, didn't it? See if we can do anything about them. Well, at the moment, yeah, I don't think coming down helps that. Got back a little bit, haven't we? Just out of slipstream again. What's going on? We're right on him.
58.527.
Okay, a bit of an off track there. Loosen a little bit. Lost a little bit there. Come on, David. Yeah, I lost a load down the straight, didn't I? Obviously not getting onto the straight very well.
58.547.
Where's that blue car going?
There's an incident ahead.
He just keeps sending it up the inside, doesn't he?
Go left.
That's what he did to the other guy, and he nudged him off. I don't think that's the right way to overtake at that corner. What do I know? Because I've not really overtaken anyone yet, have I? I've just benefited from others going off. See if I can get onto this straight a bit better this time. Not sure what I'm doing. I was completely in the wrong gear there. Okay, there's going to be some action here, isn't there? You can just tell.
58.445. You're in the top 10.
Right, let's get by. Trying to avoid the off track if I can. This black car's coming, isn't it? Okay, right with him this time. little bit better. Is he going to have a go? I don't think he is he? It's too far back.
58.757. 5 minutes to go.
Thanks, man.
Okay, so it's going to be 4 of us in a minute 'cause this black car's coming. Looking at that Lego car, aren't they? He's gone a bit wide. Barber Hyde went a bit wide as well. We're just about in the slipstream. Don't get much slipstream effect in these cars though.
486.
You could really do with getting away from this guy behind. He seems very close, doesn't he? Problem is, he gets close enough to then think there's a move on, and then he'll make a desperate move, and then I'll be in trouble.
The leader is running.
It'd be nice to get this guy, wouldn't it?
07. .426 left side.
Oh,
Here on the left.
it's a bit of a dive. I mean, I'm sort of sat in the middle of the track, not a lot I could do about that. Well,
You've got damage on the right
he
side.
did turn in, I guess. We'll look at the replay.
Front end.
I mean, it was a bit of a dive. I was hoping
Damage is probably slowing
to get stopped.
Car on your left. Go right. Clear.
It didn't. Anyway, more incidents. We'll have a look at that one. Probably my fault, but anyway. Don't often do that. But wanted to make the move. Okay, so how bad is the car? Feels okay. We'll see what it's like on the straight. Yeah, put your comments in. I'm sure you'll think that was my fault. I think you're probably right. But we'll look at the replay.
9.201.
I think if I could have got into second and I could have hugged the inside line a bit, but he turned in and I was already there, so not a lot I could do about that. Apart from not making the move in the first place, that was the mistake. Okay, so how slow am I compared to this guy? It's another black car. I think it's a different black car. Loose on the rear end there. I'm not sure if the car is damaged or not. Or how badly. Feels okay.
We got damage on the front end. We've got damage on the right side.
Okay. So a bit of damage, front and right.
59.221.
Okay, can we hold them off? Do another lap, I think. Swarming around a lot, isn't he?
White flag.
Right, he's going to be right there, isn't he? I'll defend the inside. I think I do.
Left side, 58.906. Clear. Car on your left. Still there, hold your line. Keep to the right. Clear.
That's all I could do, really. Defend the inside. Okay, I think I'm okay. It's hard for him to get by anywhere here, I'd have thought. Come down a gear just to get it turned. I think we're okay. Yeah, okay, well.
You got it, slow car on the right.
An eventful race.
Stops on the right. Go left.
I don't often dive up the inside, and that's probably why.
Flag, check it
Let's
flag.
have a look at that incident then.
Bring it back to the pits. We're going.
Okay, then here we are coming down the straight. So I mean, you know, you got to go for a move, haven't you? I was then unlucky. I got hit. Well, actually, I didn't get hit by anyone other than that black car, did I? So yeah, just let's have another look. So let's just see when we braked. I don't know how late I was actually. So where are we going then? So he brakes. I mean, I didn't brake that much later than him, did I? In terms of where he braked on the track. Let's go to the chase camera so we don't have this great big thing in front of us. So he brakes just after the shadow. And I braked a bit later, just a little bit later. And then I was committed. Shouldn't have done it. He was always going to turn in, wasn't he, from that sort of distance? So it was, a bit of a dive bomb. Sorry about that. Who was that? Sonke. Oh, he's already disconnected, so can't say sorry. Anyways, sorry about that. Yeah, okay. Well, I won't do that again. That was a bit of a silly move on my part. And then what happened then? We got hit by so the black car behind. Who was that? Number 15. So yeah, he that was nothing he could do about it. It wasn't his fault. And then he just tapped me a little bit as he pulled away, but that's fine. That's what happens, isn't it? So yeah, we weren't too badly damaged actually, so that was lucky from our point of view. Anyway, let's have a look at the results, shall we? Well, not great. Dropped a bit of safety rating. I'm an A license now though, so I got up to over 4 in the B class and got on a promotion before the end of the season, so that's good. Lost some of my rating, so back down to 18. I'd like to get that I'd like to get it up to 3, but I got a lot of work to do there. Anyway, best lap 57.6, so the leader did that, 57.9, 57.7. So yeah, late 57s is where the pace was at. What did we manage? Nothing like that. 58 flat. So actually not too far apart. Not too far away. But yeah, bit disappointing. Yeah, and it was the same black car behind us. And he was, quicker than us. Oh, well, yeah, sorry about that. What happened to the guy I hit? Okay, well, good. He finished ahead of me. That's good. So it didn't damage him too much. But anyway, I'll learn my lesson and not do that again. I need to work on my overtaking because clearly that sort of dive bomb. I didn't mean it as a dive bomb, but clearly it didn't work out. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. Learned some more stuff. Got to keep improving my driving. But yeah, it's good track and car combo, that one. So if you want to see more of this sort of stuff, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.